Hi guys, I just got myself a new U-lock for my new bike. I got it online. The brand and model is the Abus. Forgive me if I pronounce it incorrectly, but I don't know. I'm just gonna pronounce it Abus in this video. And the model name is Granit XPlus. It's the top of the line U-lock that the company Abus makes. It is rated at level 15 security and sold secure gold for it. And I've read it online and on various forums and reviews. Apparently, they're about as good as it gets for bicycle locks. A couple of the features, which I'll go through anyway, but this is an overview. Light key, security, parable security, and the power cell inside the lock mechanism, and you get a code card, which I'm not sure what it is for yet. It is made in Germany. This is the sizing, so 108 millimeters across, and then 20 to 130 millimeter from top to bottom. And they've mentioned what they've tested. So bolt cutters, eye sprays, drilling through the keyhole. It's not gonna rust. I think anti-corrosion when it rains. Extra steel body, and you can't use leverage to crack open the lock, and you can't pick the lock. Pretty much, that's what they're saying. Although I've seen some videos though of people doing it. They're able to pick the lock within, I think, 5 minutes or something. But then again, they're doing it sitting on a table with the lock in their own comfortable house, and then they're also a professional, got the right kit. So I would think that average thief won't be able to open this lock, unless they have those equipment and they have the comfort of doing it sitting down and with their lock facing their way. But yeah, I guess that's what the level 15 security standard is saying. Level 15 means, I think, it can be picked, but only if you have the right tool and equipment, and I guess if you know what you're doing, and it'll take at least 5 minutes if you're having the lock comfortably positioned facing yourself. Anyway, enough with that. So this is the lock itself. It is quite hefty. It is about 1.5 kilos in weight. And before I get on to showing you the lock mechanism itself, so I'm gonna show you what it comes with. So 2 keys, 1 spare, and this is the main one, and it comes with LED light, as you can see over here. Press that button. It's quite useful when at night, when you're when you try to find the keyhole to insert the key in. And this is what the packaging mentions. The Abus code card. Oh, let me cover the code itself. I'll find out what it is for, I guess. This is the manual for mounting the Abus. So this goes on your vertical tube in the rear of your bike, and you can clip it in like that. So if this is the tube on your bike, you clip this in like that. This actually goes to this side of the Abus. Let me just open it first. I'm going to use the spare key. So just insert it. That's what they're saying. That. Twist to the right. And pull it. And then you can actually put this in. Put this in. As you can see, if you can see and hear the sound, loud sound, this thing is quite sturdy. Alright, so lock it in. Once you have this, then yeah, you can mount it on your bike. Just like that. Alright, enough with the lock itself. Also comes with extra stuff. I guess it's also to do with the mounting. Just open this packaging itself, see what it comes with. That, this, and a couple of bolts as well. This one, just saying things about the company, Abus itself, and yeah, I think that should be it. I'm not sure what this is for. I think this can be inserted here. I don't know what's the point of having this. Like that. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm not sure what these are for. I don't think I'm gonna use them at all. Put them back in the packaging. So yeah, it's been look at the Abus Granit XPlus. I'm gonna start using it. I'm gonna let you guys know if I have any issues with it, but this seems to be quite sturdy enough, the bicycle lock, so I hope it will do its job. I don't plan to lock my bike in high crime area anyway, so this might sound like an overkill, but you know, I'd like to have good luck and giving me a peace of mind. Yeah, thanks for watching. Put your questions in the comment sections if you have any, and subscribe. Thank you guys.